This segment of Coastlife is sponsored by Benvenuto.
Coastlife, you see all of these fresh ingredients. That can only mean one thing. We are here in Benvenuto in Milford with Chef Zeus for our dish of the week. What are we cooking up today?
We are. So we are going to do a jerk, Caribbean jerk spiced shrimp with a warm potato salad.
Awesome.
And we have this amazing avocado dressing.
Yeah.
Has a good amount of garlic, avocado, some fresh lime, or cilantro. Very nice. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get this shrimp going. All right. So a nice hot pan. I'm just using a little olive oil blend here. All right. And what we're going to do is we're going to dredge our shrimp here.
Oh.
All right. And this is a really nice blend that we make here at the restaurant. So it's, look, if you're not certain, you can go out. Any market is going to have a good jerk seasoning. I like this one because it's not really overpowering. It just has those good flavors that we're looking for. All right. And now remember, with your shrimp, it only takes but a few minutes. So we have some nice hot oil in here, and you're going to hear that sizzle immediately. See that?
Yeah.
All right. So remember, when you're doing these shrimp, okay, they only take but maybe a minute and a half per side. And what we're looking for is that color. All right. And again, these do not take long at all. So while the shrimp is going, I'm going to show you guys how we do this warm potato salad. All right. So you see all the ingredients already in here. Okay. All right. We have our potatoes, some onion, some green onion, some yellow and red bell pepper, and some black beans. All right. So first thing we're going to do is we roasted these potatoes. We're going to add this first because we want to just kind of get these going. Okay. Now, while the potatoes are going here, see that? All right. We're going to start flipping our shrimp.
Yep.
Okay. And I want to show you that beautiful color. See that? And that's exactly what we're looking for. And these shrimp are pretty much halfway cooked now. All right, they don't take long. All right, now going back to our potatoes. All right, you see how already we're getting color in there? Now we're gonna add some garlic. We're gonna add some onion, some green onion, some peppers, and our black beans. So everybody in the pool, right? While that's going, all right, I think it's time that we remove our shrimp because again, you don't want these shrimp to overcook.
Yeah.
All right. Give this a nice little toss. And remember, just because it's off the heat doesn't mean it stops cooking. All right. So now look at these beautiful colors. See that?
Wow, that's beautiful.
All right. And that's a really nice.
Nice and summery.
Yes. Beautiful warm potato salad. That garlic is in there. You got the black beans. You have the peppers, the onions. And again, we're letting these flavors sort of sing for themselves. All right. Now, give this a nice little toss. Get all those flavors going in there. And we're going to shut this off. All right. Now that we have this ready, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we plate this guy.
Yes.
Okay. So watch how simple this is. We are going to take our warm potato salad. Okay. We're going to start on one end, work it down to the other.
Awesome.
Okay. That way we get all those beautiful colors in there. All right. Look at that. Man, we're like really cooking here.
We're really
right?
cooking.
All right. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our shrimp and we're going to lay these out for our guests. So we're going to put him here. All right. He looks good there. We're going to put her over here because she looks good there. We're going to put this guy over here. Right. Now I'm going to go this way. Yeah, that looks good. And then I want to show you what we do to finish this. This here is our avocado dressing. All right, it has avocado in it, olive oil, has some jalapeno pepper, little cilantro, garlic, salt, pepper, delicious. And we're just gonna work our way through this. See how beautiful that looks? All right. We are then gonna take a little lime, all right, because lime goes great with this dish. Let's put him over here. See that?
Oh, beautiful.
He looks good, right?
Look at the presentation.
Yes, yes. Look, we eat with our eyes. And I want to show you one of the finishing touches here is a little cotija cheese. It's a nice hard cheese. And it's used in a lot of Latin cooking, all right? And we're just going to do a nice grating of this. Look at that.
Beautiful.
All right? And you see how we're kind of working that? All right? And look. Here you have the dish of the week, and this is it's a Caribbean spiced shrimp, okay? with a warm potato salad, all right, avocado salsa, and cotija cheese.
Yep, Coastlife, this is an amazing dish of the week. You have to come check it out. And don't forget, if you do, you have to mention that you saw this here on Coastlife, because then you'll get 10% off. So definitely be sure to mention that. This dish of the week might just be your next dinner reservation. It's filled with bold, fun flavors. But you know what else is bold and fun? Is Coastlife. There's more of that coming up.